This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling what matters: a stable diya, oil or ghee, and a cotton wick. Light wick length matters because too long smokes, trim to 1/2 inch exposed. Pour 0.5 teaspoon oil into the diya so the wick soaks, but the flame won't drown. Place the wick with its knot at the edge so capillary action feeds the flame. Once set, steady the diya on a flat surface and keep a small tray underneath to catch drips. You now light the wick tip carefully. A match gives control. If the flame flickers, blow gently once and reposition the wick so the knot sits just inside the oil line. This ensures steady capillary feeding. Once the flame establishes, do not shove the wick too deep because that will smother it. If air drafts are present, move the diya into a sheltered spot or use a small glass cover. This keeps combustion consistent and reduces soot formation while you continue. You finish by caring for the flame and safety. Smother the flame with a metal lid or spoon to avoid splashing. Do not blow hard into the oil because that can scatter embers. If the diya smokes, extinguish, trim the top of the wick and replace contaminated oil. Smoking means incomplete combustion from excess wick or dirty fuel. If spilled, never use water on burning oil. Contain with sand or a tray and wait to cool before handling. This protects you and your surroundings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.